Hello, and welcome to One Take. My name is Austin McChord, and I'm Datto's founder and CEO. Today, I want to spend a few minutes talking about an incredibly popular new feature that we launched at DattoCon. This feature is called Advanced Backup Verification. Advanced Backup Verification is the next step beyond screenshot verification for ensuring that you have complete recoverability of everything that you protect using your Datto BCDR appliances. Advanced Backup Verification does automated file system testing, volume protection testing, ransomware detection, and mountability testing. In addition, we'll also check for key services that they come online when you actually go to spin up your machine. And we'll test this during every single screenshot verification. So we can automatically test for things like Active Directory, Microsoft Exchange, DNS services, etc. We also give you the ability to detect any custom services start-stop capabilities and provide detailed alerting and reporting around whether or not they come up and they work. This is incredibly valuable, and we've seen a huge uptake by our partners with over 500 different service types being tested in just the few weeks after DattoCon. So if you haven't checked out Advanced Backup Verification, I'd recommend that you go to our portal to learn more and make sure that you have it enabled on all your devices. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week on One Take.